So far, we have learned to clean the text. Now, let's see why do we need to convert text into vector and how to do that. Let's begin. First, let's see why do we need to convert text into vectors. Let's say we have this sentence, the product is good, and we want to figure out the sentiment of this sentence. So for that, what usually we do, we take the input and we try to feed it into the model. But in this case, it will not work out. Why? Because machine learning models are expecting the input to be in the form of numeric value. But in this case, it is text. That is why it will not work out. So what we have to do is we have to convert this text into some sort of numeric value. Then we can feed this numeric value to get the output from the model. So that is why we need to convert text into vectors. But how we can convert text into vector? Is there any way to do this? Ultimately, what we need is we need a function which should take this text and should give us the vector representation of that sentence. So is there any solution? Yes, there are three popular methods which we can use to convert text into vectors. The first one is bag of word, and the second one is TF-IDF, and the final one is word to vec. In the next video, we are gonna see how we can use bag of words to convert text into vector.